Now students, see page number 10. I am reading income and other criteria. When we looked at individual aspirations and goals, we found that people not only think of better income but also have goals such as security, respect for others, equal treatment, freedom, etc. Means people, they don't give the important only for the earning more and more income, but they give important and they want other things also, like respect, equal treatment, freedom, and security, job security, etc. When we think of a nation or a region, we may, besides average income, think of other equally important attributes. So at the time of comparison different countries, so we have to think other attributes also. Attributes means other qualities, other characteristics, features also we have to see. Now this paragraph I am reading. What could these attributes be? What could these attributes be? Means what are these characteristics? What are these qualities we have to follow, we have to use for the comparison along with national income, country's income? Let us examine this through an example. Now here we have to read one of the example. Table 1.3 gives the per capita income of. Now this one, you can see this table. I am reading, just look carefully. Table 1.3. Now here there are three states, Haryana, Kerala and Bihar, and another column, per capita income. Haryana's per capita income 1,80,174. Kerala's per capita income 1,63,475. Bihar's per capita income 34,409. So if we compare per capita income, so Haryana is the, we can say, the richest state, and Bihar very poor state on the basis of income, per capita income. Now here actually these figures are per capita net state domestic product at current prices for 2016 and 17. Now here we have to understand per capita net state domestic product. Per capita net state means earning within a country. It's called the per capita net state domestic product. Now let us ignore what this complicated term exactly means. We have to study about the per capita net state domestic product deeply, clearly. But here just we have to compare these states according to the per capita income. Roughly we can take it to be per capita income of the state. We find that of the three, Haryana has the highest per capita income and Bihar is at the bottom. See this one. This means that on an average a person in Haryana earn rupees 1,80,174 rupee in 1 year, whereas On an average, a person in Bihar earn only around rupees 34,409. So, if per capita income were to be used as the measure of development, Haryana will be considered the most developed and Bihar the least developed state of the three. On the basis of per capita income, Haryana developed state and Bihar least developed state. Now let us look at certain other data pertaining means belonging to these states given in table 1.4. Now see this table 1.4. In this table another information of these states Haryana, Kerala and Bihar. So first in first column, infant mortality rate. Infant mortality means death rate. Infant means very young baby. So death rates according to the, we can say, the as per the state wise given here. Now in second column you can read the figures also, numbers also given here. Literacy rate of these states, net attendance ratio also given. Now students, remaining part we will read in next clip.